Imagine a world without hunger, where kids are fed and ready to learn in school, where seniors don't choose between their prescriptions and having a meal, where families can afford both rent and groceries. Food Lifeline believes hunger doesn't have to happen, and together, we can end hunger for good. The energy to end hunger comes from harnessing the collective goodwill of hundreds of partners, big and small, from food banks and community groups to food donors and volunteers, because we're better together. In Linden, Washington, the Agape Service Project is hard at work creating social justice for migrant farm workers, working to fill gaps in food systems, education, and health care. Every week, they deliver traditional and culturally relevant foods to this community. Food Lifeline is providing funding for infrastructure and community engagement.
I don't think we would have been able to move to the grocery shopping model without Food Lifeline. Like, we had no infrastructure, we had no equipment really, and so to have the capacity to have fridges allows us to provide milk, cheese, meat, things that we've never really been able to provide before.
With additional help from the Bellingham Food Bank, families now receive the nutrition they need to thrive.
Y nos trajeron la comida que a nosotros sí consumimos más, y esta comida es lo que consumimos más.
In Snohomish, Washington, the Arlington Food Bank receives fresh fruit and produce through our grocery store donation program.
I just think partnering with more of the businesses, people, agencies makes us stronger. The more we work together, the stronger we are, the more services we can provide for people.
Food is essential. Like water and shelter, food is the foundation of daily life.
The staff are beyond amazing. So the first time I came, I cried.
In South King County, the Maple Valley Food Bank is busier than ever. Inflation, recession, and the lingering pandemic have combined to keep demand high.
I think that the only way we serve people well is when we do it together. We say this all the time in our own slogan, which is neighbors helping neighbors, and I think it's reflective of our relationship with partners like Food Lifeline as well.
Guests here face a variety of obstacles, but teamwork is delivering the right foods to the right people.
My wife and I are both living off of one person's Social Security disability income. So if it wasn't for the food bank here, things would be really bad because I'm a diabetic.
Food is important. It's important for me to have food, especially for my daughter. She eats before I eat, because in my country, you could go all day and not eat.
When you support Food Lifeline, you're enlisting hundreds of partners in the mission to end hunger, providing meals and hope for a better future for those facing food insecurity, and showing the world that when it comes to helping our neighbors, we're better together.
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 Together.